Hey guys, so Walmart has done it again. So this time I'm bringing to you some new up and coming, more exciting spring home decor that Walmart is bringing to us. Okay, so I want to start off right now with the Dr. Pleasant 5 feet artificial bougainvillea flowers tree in black plastic pot. Now I realized that I wanted to do this tree for the last video, but I actually didn't have enough time to do it. But this time I wanted to bring it to your attention. All right, so this tree is so beautiful. This has very, very vibrant pink flowers on the tree. This is an artificial tree, so you don't have to worry about watering it and stuff like that. However, this would be really, really good, perfect in your home. I love this perfect for like a living room or even a large bedroom. Would be just fine with that. Okay, so as I'm looking at it, I see that of course it has the vibrant pink plastic flowers there. Okay, so it says that this is roughly around 5 feet, so which is really not that bad. It's really good. So it's not too tall, but it's tall enough. Okay, and so far it has a rating of, let's see here, a 4.1 star review. Yeah, so that's not bad at all. So almost 5 stars, so 4.1 stars, and this is going for only $46.99. So under $50, which is great. Okay, we also want to keep those prices low. So they do have the 4 foot and they have the 5 foot. So if you do want something that's a little bit more smaller, they do have the 4 foot artificial tree for only, I say, $36. $36.99, which is really not bad. Okay, so I'm just looking to see if there's anything else I need to mention. Okay, so it looks like with this brand here by Dr. Pleasant, it's one of the trusted, well-known brands. Okay, so the high quality of plants, artificial flowers, so it will look very, very realistic. It doesn't look too plasticky or too fake. It looks very, very natural in your home. So if you're wanting to, brighten up your home or maybe change it up a little bit, I would suggest getting this. So let's see here. So I'm gonna go into another thing. Okay, so we have the Waltham Real Wood Wall Clock 10.8 inch battery operated. Okay, so now we have a clock that's really, really beautiful, really, really good for living room, large dining room, anything like that a lot of company would be coming into. Or actually, you know what? I would have this in the kitchen too, as well. Like it has to be like a spot that has a nice size wall space, or if you have a wall that is popping out a little bit from the other sides of the walls, like a wall that kind of extends out, it would be perfect to put this clock on there. So far it has roughly a 4.6 star review, which is really awesome. And it's only $19.99. So it's really not that bad at all. And guess what, you guys? This is not no plastic, cheap looking clock. It has real wood, okay? Just like this table, knock on wood, it has real wood. So really, really awesome when it comes to that. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't have that loud ticking sound. It has the silent ticking, which is really good because when you're focused on like doing work and stuff like that too, you don't want to have that running in the background with the ticking. It does not, it can get a little annoying if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so as I'm scrolling down to see what other things that it has, so this is actually battery operated, so you have to buy AA batteries for this particular clock. Okay, so you don't have to worry about connecting the cord and plugging it into the wall or anything like that. And it's very easy to read. Okay, so I love how bolded the numbers are. It's the numbers are white, and it goes really well with the neutral colors in the back of the blue and the grays and the dark tans. And they have this little a little highlight of it. Looks like the clock been painted a little off, but it looks very natural. Like you can see little hints of wood peeping out of the paint as you're looking at the clock. So this is really cool, and it looks very, very, very pretty. Okay, so like I said, that's only $19.99, and let's move on to something else. Oh, you know what? Before I do, I want everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do love anything you see in these videos, please make sure you click the link in the description below. Right? Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. All right, so we have this beautiful mainstays alphabet indoor rug. Okay, so this is very perfect for the children's room. Okay, so you see that it has the A, B, C, D the ABCs basically on the rug. So this is really good for if you have a toddler like myself, or if you have a baby, anything like that. This would be perfect inside of the room. So as you can see here, they did have something on the display here of like a little, looks like a little shelf that has like books in it and stuff like that. Honestly, what I would do, I would have a crib be like a little bit away from the rug, or if you want the crib on the rug, that's fine. But I'm a mom, I would prefer to have the rug be like on the floor itself without nothing on top of it, because I want my child or my baby or whatever to be on the rug with nothing like really on the rug. I want them to have as much play space as possible without touching the cold floor. Okay, so this would be perfect for the bedrooms and stuff like that. And so there are about 50 people or more that have this in the cart right now. So if you haven't already, you might want to grab onto it. Okay, you cannot beat it. And it has a 4.8 star review. Almost a 5-star review, you guys. So really, really not bad. People has been buying this like crazy. And honestly, just to let you know, this does not only come in one size. So we have a 3 by 4 and 8 inches. 4 feet 3 inches. Then we have a 5 by 7, and then we have an 8 by 10. So the 8 by 10, just to let you guys know, is roughly around $150. Okay, so if you want a larger size rug, it's going to be about $150. And you see how in the display here too, once I got to the larger sizes, you see that the crib is off to the side, so that way the ABC rug and stuff like that is mainly on the floor. That is what I was talking about. Okay, so really, really nice rug right there for the babies. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into a throw. Okay, so this is the Better Homes and Gardens beige texture fox fur throw. Okay, so this right here is a beige color, and you can actually throw this on top of, you know, your couches, your beds, anything like that. And this comes into a variety of colors. Okay, we have browns, we have grays, we have you know, some different variations of the ombre hues with the browns and the light cream white colors. Okay, so this would be perfect for if you have a college teenager or college child, anything like that, or even just your home. Honestly, it would go good in the dorm room, it'll go good in the living room, in the bed, pretty much anywhere that you have a nice little cozy little area you like to get into. This would be ideal for you. And honestly, this does have about 4.8 star reviews, so which is really, really good. You know, this is one of the things we want to see from Walmart right here, is that the receptive of the people who buy the products, you know, the reception has been really, really good. They are loving this here. So this is only going for $24.97. Not bad, you guys. Really not bad compared to other places that may charge maybe $50, $60 for this row. You know, if you go to Macy's, they might charge you maybe $80 for the same thing. Walmart has very, very affordable prices. Really, really good. Okay. All right. So let's go on to one of these things here that's called the Macy's 24-foot solar powered PVC white flexible outdoor rope light. So this is so beautiful. You know, it reminds me of like a Cinderella, or more of a, you know, having a chill night type, you know, romantic night or something like that. You know what? I love the fact that they do have this as a solar power string light on the ground. So that way, you know, when it gets too dark, you know, even if it's like, you know, getting to dusk, you know, you have the, you know, the darkness that comes, and this will light up the pathway, you know, and I love the way that they do have the display here. So if you do have a larger home or that has like little gardening displays and stuff like that, this will be very ideal for that. You know, it'll definitely brighten it up. And also, as you can see here, the lights that they have is actually encased in the plastic tubing. Okay, so which is great. So even if it rains, or if you're in the north, if it snows, anything like that, you will actually be able to see it. But I would personally, if I were in the northern states, I would specifically say that you guys should wait probably till literally the spring. Honestly, I know right now you guys are probably still getting some of the snow. Wait until the spring, wait until actually around April or early May to put this out, just so that way you can actually have more of a really good presence outside of your home. Okay, so this would be good for the outside coming into your front yard, or even if you have like a nice little backyard area, this would be perfect to put along the back patio. That'll be very ideal too. That is about it for today. Okay, and if you have not already, please make sure you tune in for the next video. And all of the products that I mentioned in this video today is located in the description. And if you want to know more about the Walmart Creator Program, I am offering a mentorship as well as giving a free guide. Okay, so I'm going to put those links in the comments below as well in the description. Okay, other than that, I'm Treasure Takara. Thank you for tuning in. Deuces.